what's the syntax for an array? It is still going to be the data type, just like a normal variable. We're going to call it the name of the array, name of the variable, name of the array, right? We're going to put this is where it gets a little new. Look, gets a little fancy. We're going to put square brackets, okay? Square brackets, okay? And then inside of there, you have to mention what the size is. Now, I can literally put in a size like 8. This is what's called a literal, an integer literal. So I'm just actually hard coding it. That's what a literal is. Or I could put a constant. That's all you can put. You can't be putting variables in there. Just regular variables, you can't do that. You got to use a literal or a constant because this is a static array. So you would put the size or some kind of literal in there, and then you could just leave it like that. And what that does is it creates a list of variables in one location. So in this array, it'll have several variables, as many as the size you dictated with this given data type. So let's do that with our list of numbers.